Unfortunately, we've all been there. We left our home or office and we forgot something too important to go without. We're too busy and don't have the time to go back to retrieve it. Fortunately for you, there's Oops app. Oops allows users to search for drivers to personally retrieve and deliver their belongings. To do so, users simply log into the app through Facebook or by creating an account. Once logged in, users can sign up as either a regular user of the app or by becoming a driver to deliver items. Drivers are vetted to ensure the safety and security of your deliveries. Once a user orders a driver, you can monitor the status of your driver's location using our in-app map during the pickup and delivery process. So whether you're just looking for someone to pick up your package and deliver it, or you forgot your ever-important briefcase, important files, documents, your purse, wallet, passport, or even concert tickets, this app is for you. Oops app will have you covered and ensure you get what you need. You'll have the peace of mind knowing you'll never have to worry about forgetting something ever again. Download the Oops app today. To forget is a thing of the past.